I'm going to show you why and how this recipe reverses the signs of aging. First tip is do not peel the vegetables in this recipe. Use a vegetable cleaning brush and water instead. It's important to keep the peels on the vegetables as they're full of nutrients and vitamins that you need. The way we cook the carrots and the sweet potatoes is how they retain the vitamin A, which is converted to retinol in the body. Retinol is extremely important in slowing down and reversing the aging process, reducing lines and wrinkles, and keeping your skin supple. The reason many people spend hundreds and even thousands of dollars on a product called Retin A. After you get these cleaned and chopped, we're going to prepare the pot of water. And this will be one of the most important steps in this recipe. To a fairly large pot, add 5½ cups of water, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and all of your chopped veggies. Now bring this to a boil and then reduce the heat and put a lid on and just let that simmer until all of the vegetables are tender. And while that's cooking, go ahead and add the rest of your ingredients to a blender. And that will be 1/2 cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon plus 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Now the only change you can make in this recipe is the sweetener. You may choose honey, maple syrup, stevia, white sugar, whatever you have and whatever you prefer. I just prefer the brown sugar. The sweet potatoes will cook faster than the carrots, so when they're cooked, you can go ahead and remove those and remove the peels and just discard the peels. Put the sweet potatoes in the blender. And in a few more minutes, the carrots will be very tender. You can remove those and just let those cool for 2 or 3 minutes before you put those in the blender. Now this is extremely important. Do not discard the water. This water is full of nutrients and vitamins, and that's the one tip that is most important in this recipe. So just remove 1 2/3 cups of the vegetable water from that pot, and that's what you're going to put in the blender. And after this mixture is pureed, mixed well, you can pour that into a pitcher and chill in the refrigerator. If you want a fast chill, then pour into individual glasses, and you can just actually stick that in the freezer for a minute or 2. Drink at least 8 ounces of this a day, and you'll begin to notice a difference in your skin within 3 or 4 days, and other people will notice as well. So here's to better skin and better health. Enjoy.